A massive earthquake has claimed the lives of at least 367 people in China's southwest region of Yunnan. The 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck at relatively shallow depths of just 10 kilometres, destroying tens of thousands of buildings and injuring more than 1,400 people. Electricity and communications have also been affected in the area. Firefighters have been rushed to the epicentre, and civil affairs authorities are sending tents and beds to those who have lost their homes. The death toll is expected to rise.